Oh yeah, do you have doggy hiccups? Yep, that's a hiccup. Is that how dogs get rid of hiccups? They lick their butt? Was that it? I only got one hiccup in. Just I licked my butt. It's all gone.
Oh, puppy. Poor puppy. He has hiccups.
Moya, what are you doing?
I'm just not sure about that.
What are you doing?